ASPN stock analysis and price predictions. No BS, no fluff way. How, like, am I gonna look to buy immediately here? Let's talk about it. Aspen Aerogels, man, it's just, yeah, 15% up or whatever. I'm not a big fan when I look at it from a broader picture though. Look, I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos and actually document them all. And still, this is not gonna be a way where I'm just gonna show up and just say, yo, buy. Never done it, but I'm just saying, right? Marking even the supply zones here. Yeah, maybe if I do start to see some shifts above $6 with a full candle close on the daily chart, then yeah, sure, maybe then. But now, not necessarily. That's how this is looking like. Right, let me know what is your opinion on ASPN. And if you want to learn how I'm personally consistently making 5 to 10K per month with our indicators, then just click the first link in the description. Get my free emails, totally free, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.